Hey guys, so welcome to this vlog. I'm with Oscar again, and today's gonna be a pretty exciting day because you wanna tell them what we're doing?
We're gonna go skydiving. Well,
I'm not gonna go skydiving. I'm gonna go watch Oscar go skydiving. He's been doing it like for what?
A few months.
For a few months now. He's trying to get like his certification. I don't know that much about it, but I'm gonna go and learn and see what he's doing. And we're gonna go there on his motorcycle as if this wasn't a fun day already. So join us for this cool adventure. So we arrived to Skydive Venice, and it was a really bumpy ride. My butt kind of hurts, but it looks so pretty. We were driving in and like the parachutes were already going like out and people were landing. It was so cool. So I'm gonna show you guys where Oscar goes skydiving.
Okay. She does the tandem?
No, I don't
No. So this is Oscar's Power Ranger costume. Just kidding. Show us your helmet.
Cookie G3. It's supposed to be one of the better ones. And it's got this fancy thing that makes it pin to open and close. So once it's closed, it shuts closed.
And the color is so pretty. It's like a mate.
It's like a mate blue.
Blue. And then as soon as we got here, they're like, "Oh, are you gonna do it too?" And I was like, no. So I'm just looking for now. Maybe I will later, but not today. Not today, Satan.
And continue to see the front.
Right.
And up your legs. Remember, fuori. E solleva la testa, guarda con gli occhi lui.
Make sure.
Oscar's little balls are getting squished.
Pushing the hell out of mine.
Alright, he's getting ready to go. What do you have?
This is the whole parachute. These got to be even. I'm gonna stick them in here so that they don't come loose. This is the altimeter. This is not a fancy one either. It just starts rising. It's in meters. And at 2,000, about there, I know that I gotta pull it before it gets to the yellow. Like way before. I usually pull it at 1,800.
All right, guys, so we are back home from skydiving. What do you want to tell them? Tell them why you were skydiving.
Okay, so I'm trying to get my A license, which is pretty much certifying me to be able to skydive anywhere in the world, according to it. Because it's a USPA, so it's like the American version, really, but everywhere it's accepted. Point is, I've done my AFF course. I forgot what the A stands for, but it's AFF course. So I'm certified to jump. So I'm just trying to finish that.
Yeah, so it was really cool watching you do it. I was like so proud of him. I was like, oh my god, that's my hubby. So it was really cool to go watch him. And it was also cool that we got to like ride the motorcycle, because I had only like ridden the motorcycle like once before with him. So it was nice just like be taken into his world, and it just made me see what a badass husband I have. So yeah, it was a good day. We came home and had like dinner with our friends. Shout out to my best friend Laura, she's leaving soon, so I'm gonna miss her. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Let us know what you guys liked, if you have ever skydived before, and if I should do it next time with Oscar or not, because I'm kind of scared.
Like,
but what?
I think she's just a wuss, not gonna lie. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. The first time you do it,
It's scary because like you see these people that go and they're like, oh my god, like I'm so scared. They're like throwing up, fainting
yeah,
and stuff.
like this girl on my third jump, she was freaking out. She was like praying up there. She's like hyperventilating. It's crazy.
Yeah, but then you also see these people that are like, we do this every weekend, like this is normal to us. So you see the two extremes. So now that I like went and I just like was able to just observe, now I feel a little bit more confident. So we'll see what happens. Let me know if you think I should do it or not, pros and cons, if you've done it before and if you're thinking of doing it. So thank you for watching the vlog, and we will see you guys next time.
Oh, and next week, hopefully I get the backflip down and he's gonna record me. So
Okay.
maybe you can add it to this.
So maybe I'll add the footage here from the previous jumps, because I don't think I have the video for this jump, but I'll just show you guys what Oscar does up there. All right, see you guys next time. Ciao.
Ciao.